Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you Python dictionary. Let us start with the definition of Python dictionary. A Python dictionary is a series of key value mapping. So each element in Python dictionary consists of two parts, key and value. So we can visualize like this, see key and values. For example, this is an element consists of key and the key is R and the value is red. P and the value is blue. Key is O and the value is orange. These keys have to be unique. You cannot repeat these keys because we use these keys to access the value, so you cannot repeat them. Let us see how to create Python dictionary. Creating Python dictionary is really very easy. You need to use curly brackets and then the key, colon, and the value of the key, and this is one element, and each element in Python are separated by comma. Let's see a very simple example. This is example, this is dictionary, and I use the curly brackets, and this is my element, this is my first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, and each element consists of key and value, and these are separated by column. Let us go to Jupyter Notebook and create dictionary and play with it. This is Python dictionary, consists of three elements. Just run this one, let's just print it. Okay, as we can see, it consists of three elements and each element is consists of key and value. First thing that I like to do is to see what's the type of this variable, which we know is dictionary. Let us just double check. And as we can see, the type return the type of our variable, which is dictionary as we expect. If you want to access the values of the dictionary, it's really very easy. You want to use the keys. And the way that we work with the dictionary is give the dictionary the key and the dictionary is return the value to us. For example, D and I pass R and then I run and it return red because the key for red is R. Let's just have another one, D, and we pass P, and as we can see we return the blue. What's gonna happen if I pass a key which is not available in our dictionary? Let us see what's gonna happen. We're gonna get an error because that key is not available. We can add element to the dictionary. It's really very simple. For example, if we want to add another new element to our dictionary, and that element, let's say the key is Y, the value is yellow. It's really very simple. D, and you write your letter Y, and this is the key, and you pass your value, which is in our case yellow. And let us see now our dictionary. We add another new value. So now our dictionary consists of 4 elements. As we can see, it consists of 4 elements. Dictionary in Python is really very simple, and it's very powerful data type, and has a lot of functionality. And if you see the functionality that we can do or what we can do with dictionary, just write dir and pass your dictionary, which is D, and you can see all the function that we can do or we can use with the dictionary. There's a lot of functions that we can use with the dictionary, and I'm going to explain to you these functions in another video. But what I want you to understand here in this video is that Python dictionary consists of pairs, key and value. These are separated by comma, and we use the curly brackets to create the Python dictionary. And the most important thing, the keys, which is these ones, you cannot repeat them. They have to be unique. And that's it from this video. This is what we want you to understand. In another video, I will explain to you the dictionary functions. Hopefully that you enjoy my video, and see you in another video.